Meaning of immunosuppression.
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 Immunosuppression. Immunosuppression refers to the suppression or weakening of the immune system, which is responsible for protecting the body against infections and diseases. This can be achieved through various methods such as medications, radiation therapy, or autoimmune diseases. As a result, the body becomes more susceptible to infections, and the ability to fight off diseases is compromised. Individuals who are immunosuppressed may experience frequent infections, longer recovery times, and greater severity of illnesses. Therefore, immunosuppression can have significant implications for the overall health and well-being of affected individuals, leading to increased morbidity and mortality rates.